Whenever you do come in the forward, you come here, then when you change legs, so like jumping back automatically you will be covering in the yeah ready. Now you do which concentration? So we're doing the Ashtanga series. Yeah. We're not bending back. Yes. Good. Ready. Here, wide relax bit furthermore. Yes, always try to jump with the hip with the butt. Lift up the hip, abdomen a little bit higher, shoulder bit down. That is low plank. And yeah, or if you are not able to do, place your knee down. Place the knee down. Yes, and bring the abdomen and the shoulder down and relax. Open the shoulder. Elbows closed. Look, now position is changing. Can you see the shoulder back is opening from here? Yeah, move upward. Yes. Yeah, you have to go like this. Upward facing dog. Go to upward facing dog. But here, upward facing dog, we never touch the knees on the ground. Okay? Yeah. Look, when she came from the low plank, the position is now this position is perfect. I'm not having any mistakes. I couldn't find any mistakes. Her leg is perfect here. Maybe I want for those who can do the mistake and in this position relax 1 second. Yeah. So it's not that important that the arms are straight in this one because like they're a little bit forward, right? They're not. No, she is exactly in line with the wrist. She was. Yeah. No, she wasn't. Not to like shame on Rachel, but no. So that's and you said it was perfect. That's why I was wondering, and I noticed it with myself. They're not 90-degree. They're definitely a little bit forward when I do it too. And I thought that supposed to be like yes, wrist underneath the shoulders. 90 degrees. Yes. Okay. I want to say this one will maybe when you see from there because first thing I always correct the wrist and the shoulder. Then only I go for the knee and I found the knee wrist and the shoulder in line. Then I went for the knee when you have the knee on the ground. I told you to lift up right. So okay, maybe that, okay. One more time, come back to the position. Yeah. Still you have to wind. Yes. From here, place your knee down. Yes. If you are not able to do low plank, you can do like this. Then bring the shoulder down, elbows close to the body. Yes. Lift up the head like parallel to the ground, not just head down. Yes. And open the scapula. Yes. Then now move forward. Move forward and come to the upward facing dog. No, no, just no. This should not be done here. So from the toes, you have to roll your toes forward. Okay? Yeah, like that. Yes. From here, move forward. Yes, and go up. Open the chest. Yes, you have to do like this. Now you can see the wrist and shoulder is not in line. No. Because why it happens before we didn't come from the floor so that this is happening. So when you jump and going backward, automatically it comes with a straight line. Automatically from the low plank it comes with a straight line. So first thing you have to notice wrist and the shoulder in line. Then your knee is off from the ground. You are staying on the upper foot here and you have to focus on opening the chest. When you open the chest your shoulder moves back. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Yes, wider. Yes, always it's from here roll your toes forward. Yes, and lift up. Yeah, Why now? Yeah, now your shoulder is going forward because when you come back again, just relax, just sit and relax. When you jump backward, your palm is not exactly placed. This chain happens, and when you jump back, if you are not jumping enough backward, if your toes are from a bit forward, when you roll, this happens. Okay, so you have to jump with enough uh, distance. Then when you roll forward, automatically you can easily curve the spine and open the chest. Your shoulder comes in line with the shoulder. Sorry, wrist.
So before jumping at the front here.
Yes. Now okay. Go down. Now roll and move. Lift up, lift up, lift up, lift up. Try to open the chest. Yes, bit more open chest. Yeah, now this is almost getting correct, right? If her back is getting open, if the chest is getting open, she will get more. Now look for in this position. I'm the shoulder slightly forward than the wrist. Now I'm opening the chest. So look, this is coming straight line in line with the wrist. Can you feel the chest open?
Yes.
That means perfect. Now come back.
Do I turn my elbows inside to the front? Like do it like this? Or do
so
they face my
actually, the so that I told you know, this always you have to place the middle finger, both middle finger parallel to each other. So this doesn't matter. This palm, middle finger shows your palm position.
So where does my elbows face?
This faces slightly inwards, not exactly forward.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, actually, for the hyperextension people, it comes in different like a different location. Okay, like when you so that I'm telling you, keep the palms like placing inwards like this. Both are in line, parallel to each other. So automatically this turns inwards, not exactly goes outside. So when you do this, fingers goes out, it goes front, facing front. Got it? Yeah. So now you go. Then next.
I have a question. In my yoga class, the teacher told me that I had to go in plank like this, and after that, I had to put my hands beside my hips, just like that, so my hands would be there.
Do it. If you do the flow, I can tell you how it comes. Come to the top, actually. Then yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Next. Good. Then. Yeah, so look what is happening when you open the chest, automatically your arms are coming close to the hip.
Okay.
It comes. Yeah.
Okay.
But there is no need of moving it by yourself. When the flow comes, automatically this pose comes like the same. It's like you are when you come open with open chest, automatically it comes with the straight line of your hip.
Okay, but my shoulder was straight.
Yeah.
In line with my hands.
Yeah, this automatically happens by the practice and flexibility.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
But we are not like locking exactly. You don't want to give attention on bringing the palms close to the hip like that. It happens by flexibility.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do I tell people anything about the abdomen, like not to overbend the lower back to protect?
Yeah, and for protecting the lower back, you have to tell them open the chest. If they will focus on opening the chest, no pressure comes to the lower back. Some people, what they do without opening the chest, they like bring the hip forward something different way. By that way, the pressure comes to the lower back. In this position, you have to focus on opening the chest. Then you will find the upper part of the from the ribs region. You will find the flexibility. If you are not doing this chest open, you will find the pressure comes to the lower back. You can easily even now also you can apply without opening the chest, the pressure comes to the lower back. With the opening chest, pressure comes to the middle back here.
Yes. My teacher back then told me that in the upper facing dog we should imagine to pull our navel in to have that abdominal muscle contraction.
After when you focus on opening the chest, automatically your abdomen goes in. The same samasthiti technique.
Okay.
When you're in samasthiti, what you do? You suck in the abdomen. You lift up the chest. That means it goes flat. The same idea. Some teachers they say in different way, but the same applying of samasthiti technique. Samasthiti, what you do? Automatically, if abdomen gets flat, but the chest is fully open. Same idea. When you open the chest, look, it goes in. It don't come like out. You cannot do this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we don't tell them.
No need of the.
Because I found it always really hard to be in the upward facing dog and then pulling my navel in. It kind of felt weird to me.
Yeah.
But he was always saying that. So.
Yeah, you focus on opening the chest. Opening the chest means automatically you pull the chest front. That means you are this goes in, it comes front, then you curving the spine.